Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get any house on Sims 4. So this tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So here I have some kind of lot where I can place any house I want. Well, first of all you need of course to have household funds enough to buy that house. Then you want to open the gallery, and on gallery you can go ahead and browse for any house you like. So for today I chose this house, Japanese modern house. And after that you want to go ahead, after you chose that, you want to go ahead and click on it, and here you can click place a lot. You can choose furnished or not, and once you've done that, you now have a new house which you already wanted. Some of the items may not be available, but you will basically fix them. And yeah, that's pretty much it how it works. If this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.